We have a trade alert for tomorrow on U.S. Steel, letter X. Let's go. This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the trading agent, with the daily stock, Bitcoin, gold, and silver market recaps. Please check out the Discord room. Link is in the description. This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the trading agent, doing a stock market stock alert, U.S. Steel, letter X. It's Thursday, December 16th. Yes, they came out after hours and guided down. Now, they saying it's reflecting temporary slowdown in order entry activity, which company believes is related to typical seasonal year-end buying activity. Let's check out what's going on with U.S. Steel after hours, because I think if you're watching my videos constantly and keeping up to date with this stuff, 22 level. Look at this wick. Look at this pop back. I know it's after hours. I would keep this on your radar tomorrow, because if you watched my daily recap, I said I didn't like how it didn't break out. I thought you could buy it here, but just wait, or just know that the 22 level was always possible. Well, after hours, we're back at the 22 level. I think this is just a good buying opportunity, honestly. So just keep that in mind. I know U.S. Steel will probably drop, but here's the key. Watch out for a bear trap. If it opens down tomorrow and starts wicking right back, watch the intraday action and see if you can see a bear trap. Because if you see a bear trap, this thing has been down, chopping. This thing loves to chop. It could be some sort of formation like this from 1018. So keep U.S. Steel on your radar. I like the trade. If you buy it, have a 50-cent dollar stop. I like the risk reward at 22, because I think at worst it's getting back up into the 30 range at some point. That's all you really need to know. You don't need to know everything about everything. Just know your trade parameters and what you're going to do if you're wrong. All right. I hope this helps. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'm going to continue to do more of this kind of stuff. Hope it helps. Be on the lookout for a bear trap in U.S. Steel tomorrow. For more trading knowledge and insight, click on the video links to the right. I appreciate you stopping by. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And if you haven't joined the Discord room, check the link in the description below.